In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and they'll have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and Harbour Primary 1 decided to send Angels going first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock, we begin with Angels. Bible knowledge. Which Bible character was said to have washed his feet with butter?
James.
Incorrect. Job. Harbour Bible knowledge. Which Bible character had a life-changing encounter with Jesus on his way to Damascus to persecute Christians?
Saul.
That's right. Science. Angels. Humans are omnivores. Is this statement true or false?
True.
That's correct. Science. Harbour Eagles are omnivores. Is this statement true or false?
False.
Correct. They are carnivores. International affairs. A visual question. Angels. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Antonio Guterres.
UN Secretary General. That's correct. International affairs. A visual question. Harbour Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Pedro Sanchez.
Incorrect. Mark Rutte. NATO Secretary General. Angels. English language. Does the word mitigate mean to make less serious, more serious, or to remain the same?
To make more serious.
Incorrect. To make less serious. English language. Harbour Does the word detonate mean to explode, to download, or to defy?
To explode.
That's correct. Television. A visual question. Angels. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Ryan Gosling.
Correct. Television. A visual question. Harbour Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Margot Robbie.
Correct. General knowledge. Angels. What is the capital of the U.S. state of Arkansas?
Little Rock.
Correct. General knowledge. Harbour What is the capital of the U.S. state Delaware?
Dover.
Correct. Social studies. Angels. What title is given to the chief leader of a major maroon village or settlement in Jamaica?
Colonel.
Correct. Social studies. Harbour There are 4 official maroon towns still in existence in Jamaica. 3 of them are Accompong Town, Charlestown, and Scotts Hall. What is the 4th?
Whitehall.
Incorrect. It's Moortown. Angels. Music. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Coffee.
Correct. Music. A visual question. Harbour Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Damian Marley.
That's correct. Mathematics. Angels. A car travels 55 kilometers in 15 minutes. What is its average speed in kilometers per hour?
kilometers.
220 is indeed correct. 220 kilometers per hour. Harbour Mathematics. A car travels at 60 kilometers in 45 minutes. What is its average speed in kilometers per hour?
kilometers per hour.
Incorrect. It's 80 kilometers per hour. Sports. Angels. Which local sporting body uses the abbreviation JFF?
Jamaica Football Federation.
That's right. Harbour Sports. Which local sporting body uses the abbreviation JOA?
Jamaica Olympic Association.
Correct. Jamaican affairs, and we don't have time for that or any more questions. That is the end of section 1. The scores are Angels Primary on 8 and the Harbour Primary on 7. We go to a quick break, but before we do so, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Develop a positive morning routine that sets the tone for learning. Thank you so much, Guardian Achiever, for that tip. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.